Oh, consume time, my friend. You doing okay? Don't worry, I got a tissue for you if you need it. It sounded a really nasty sneeze. By the way, next time when you do it, can you do it like far, far away from me, please? It just usually just sorry, it just it sorry, it just takes me back to a time when I don't really need to talk about right now. So sorry about that, man. Hope you're feeling better. Take care.